Good morning, Mama. Good morning. Good morning. What's for breakfast today? Go upstairs. It's almost Oh, hey, baby. Hey, where are you? Oh, where are you? Oh, I want to sit in Princess. Bro, come here. Hey, come here. Go to sleep. I want to sleep up here. Okay, babe.
Lahat ng talento sinalo nitong taong to. Grabe. Paano mo nagawa yun, Ella?
Nandiyan yung son, no?
First time ko actually mag-sing and dance for a show.
Nandito yung son. Nandito yung son.
Hindi ko kanta. So, anything for showtime. Anything for you.
Thank you so much, Ella.
Wait lang, guys, ha?
Thank you, Des. Thank you, Des.
Ella, kamusta naman yung summer mo? Have you started your summer plans
Sorry.
yet?
Yeah. Nakapag-beach kami ng family ko. So, it's more focus lang with family. Being holy kasi holy.
Okay, what's for dinner, babe? Oh, I don't know.
I'd like to ask you if you have anything for the month
Oh,
of
wait.
April. May surprise
Oh,
ako
wait.
sa kanila.
Did baby forgot we have a swimming pool?
Pamilya, may good news ako sa inyo.
Hi, Paul!
Ni Dustin Mayores sa Showtime Online U.
What are you doing? I just hopped in the swing. It's really nice. Yeah, it really does. Hey, babe, I'm going to work, okay? Me too. Kita pa tayo. Kain box! We're already outside. Like, I'm just gonna take doggy. Babe, where's her bone? Huh? Where's her bone? I don't have a bone. Can you go to the chicken market? Wait, I already buy all the bones. I'm going to refill them. Yaben work daw ako sa do. Okay. Bubusabi yung totoong name ko. Okay. Like, where's the bow? I just gave it to you. Still recording. Okay. So, we need bones. And what else? Yeah, chicken. I said chicken. No bones? Yeah, I know. Where's the bone? It's too glitchy because of this. Let me show you. There they are. There's even chicken glitching out. Let's summon the chicken! Chicken! Finally, I found the bone. Sorry. No, not Charlie. No. Not my diamond sword. Bones. No chicken. Come, Charlie. Let's just push Charlie. Let's go in. Such a busy day. No one get out. I said no one get out. Two chickens. There's so many chickens getting out. Let's collect all the eggs. Texas Soto! Ben, popost ko ito. Ano? Popost ko ito. Sa YouTube. Bakit po po ito sa YouTube? Pwede ba natin upload yung pagtapos na tayo? Pagtapos upload. Upload natin? Opo. Bilis ko. Sisters. Dapat work ako. Dum 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 dum. Ibig ang init. Okay, let's go and get the drinks. And we're done. And we'll be done. Now where the drinks? I wish it's not guys. No. Now let's go. Let's press the secret button. Not that. Oh my god! Yay! Babe, what's that? Nothing. What do you mean nothing? I'm trying to buy the water bottle. Uy, napicture ko ba ito? Ikaw bakit hindi mo patingin para alam sila andito ako? Okay. Okay, we're all done. Now let's go home. We all done. Let's go home. But first, let's go. Charlie! I love you. Here's some Kala ko. Yaben. Kala ko yung pangalan niya ay Ice Double. Opo. Pwede po bilhin ng chicken? Magkano po? Isang buo po. Ay, 2 buo. Ilan ba tayo? 2. Ha? 2. 3. 4 tayo. 5. Helmutan mo naman si Kuya. Babe. Kuha ko na yung chicken, ha? I got 64. My name is Cha-Cha. Cha-Cha. Chicky. Cha-Cha. What are you doing with waffles? Wait, that's not waffles. What are you doing with double? No, that's not double. Double is outside. Waffle! Now he's stuck. Waffle. Where are you, Waffle? Wait, why do we have 2 pets? One is outside. Huh? One is outside. Yeah. How do you see it? Over here. There's another dog here. Akin ba to? No, that's ours. Sa'yo yan eh. May 2 tayo dogs. Meron pa dito rope? Okay, babe. I'm just gonna... May saan yung rope dito? Ha? Ano yung rope? Rope? Wait lang, guys, ha? No, that's not work.
Mommy, no problem.
It's called a lead.
Formula ka. Lagi consistent.
There's no lead in this Minecraft.
Galing ng tempra.
Oh, man. Dang it.
Mami, parang no sayang. Siyempre no shake formula. Laging consistent ang dose, kaya no worries. Fast shake, no shake. Ang galing ng tempra. Lunch? Budget ko dito lang ha. Pero ang sarap sana ako dito. Got you.
Jollibee Chicken Fillet.
So pretty. So saucy.
69 lang.
But don't worry, may superhero ang washing machine natin. Breeze, more cleaning power. Mas tagal na siya. May fresh fragrance pa. Breeze. Viva is most prescribed to prevent dehydration.
Babe, what are you doing? This stuff is coming our phone.
Vivalite is most prescribed to prevent dehydration.
What are you doing? Nothing. What? What do you mean nothing? Laban bawal tingnan. Oh.
Thick chocolate sandwich between two chocolate cookies. A delicious reward for a day well done. Chocolate cookie have it now.
One. Oh no! Oh no! Laban, gawa daw ako fireworks.
Yes, you are my
Oh, yung fireworks nandun sa food area.
Di ko kaya tanggapin. Ako'y magpupunta. Dito, pwede din na magsusot.
Inom ka ng potion of death. Potion of tap. I'm already infected.
Masustansya recipe na papainit ng tiyan. Karaganado, maglagay ng handog.
Babe, get out of the way.
Sure comes.
Then get inside.
Regular milk.
Okay.
Support strong bones.
Yay.
1.5 times faster growth.
I want to get in lang. Bro, cover my roof.
Multivitamin gummies.
This is made out of Dayang tea. Yeah.
Ang central gift, hindi mo dapat gamitin ito.
This is Gary. So it's slowly blowing up my phone. This is
For long hour, dry power protection.
Are you really dead? Come on.
Sa sobrang sarap ng black coffee.
Again.
Light those beans.
Unfloat.
Parang sumasarap na
Can you please unfloat here? Wait. Here. Why?
Masarap, napakasarap.
What do you mean why? Bakit gusto mo ang float dito?
Yan ang mga mansyang
I-float. Float lang ka dito.
by Breeze.
Under lang dito. At ilalagay ko yung TNT.
Sige sa mansya.
Alam mo naman, lagay ko naman yung TNT.
Sigal mo.
Sabi ko float. Oo nga, float nga ako.
Made with real sunflower.
Nahulog ka ba?
That's how you only see. So again, in the standings, they're 1 and 4 for losses. Syrian for NU, it's Norwood.
Better.
So the first two. You want to finish it in 3 because you give NU that confidence that they lose basket. That's nice. Who actually never see the third set. He also struggled. There's a bit of errors on his side. What a start for him.
Ay, nahulog ba ako? Oh my God! Oh my God! Napatay ka! Diba bakit puro ako talong ko? Ba't puro ako talong natin wispan? Kasi doon ikaw higa eh. At doon yung respawn mo. Okay. I just gonna jump in this. Team. What is this called? Trampoline? I want really high. I want another one. Ikaw pa saan ikaw? Andiyan ka, tama ba? Hindi, paakyat ako. Paakyat? Ako din paakyat. Ba't sobrang slow ko? Pwede ganyan. Pwede ko surprise. Ay, ay, nako! Na-failed! Na-failed ako. What? Wee! Pero ba ikaw naman join akin? Dapat may building sa hindi survival. Okay. Harap lang ako. Asa ba yung may buildings? Brrr. Ito. Ito. Not this. I will let this go. Ah, survival yan. Alis ka. Oh. Ito? Ano yan? Secret room.
Kaya bukas, mag-ready ulit kayo.
So, island natin. Ayun o yung bahay natin. Hmm? May building. Yan nga. Si building. Parang ko. Parang ikaw lang yung gawa to. Oo nga. Sige, join tita. Wait, why you join with that? Naka-video pa rin ikaw? Opo, siyempre. Pero akin na, word na. Yes. Where are you? I'm here at the island. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my God, my boat. Oh my God. What happened? I always disappear in my boat. But I want to. Oh wait. I'm the one who created this. No way. Do you remember this? What? Oh yeah, number that. CD ba? Bro, why I have something stuff now? I don't know. I thought I supposed to be marams. But where's my boat? I don't know. Here's my boat. Okay, fine. I'm just gonna get another boat. Oh, come on, world! What? It's because of this wall. Oh my gosh. Let's go explore the wall. Oh my gosh. Wait, but ay paggabi mo. We don't even have a camera anymore. Yeah, you're right. Ano naman ako daan? Papunta sa kabila. Hello. Over here in bridge. Kumutan mo ba? Paano diretso? Hindi, alam ko. Gusto ko lang. Pare, do you have a sushi? No. Can you? Okay, that's it. That's for today, guys. See you later.